Have you ever met someone who speaks Igbo and you wished you could introduce yourself confidently? Don't worry. In today's lesson, Ada is learning how to introduce herself in Igbo step by step, and you can learn with her. Welcome to Ada Canada, where we make learning Igbo simple and enjoyable. Let's get started. Ada. Ndewo. Teacher, I want to introduce myself in Igbo, but I don't know what to say. Ada Canada. That's a great place to start, Ada. When meeting someone for the first time, the first thing you need is a greeting. In Igbo, we say Ndewo. It means hello. Let's say it together. Ndewo. Now, how do you tell someone who you are? You can say Abum Ada. It means I am Ada. Ada. Abum Ada. Ada Canada. Wonderful. Now, let's add more information about yourself. To tell someone where you are from, you say Esim Enugu. It means I am from Enugu. You can replace Enugu with your own town, city, or country. For example, Esim Lagos. Esim Canada. Ada. Esim Enugu. Ada Canada. Great job, Ada. Now, let's learn how to ask someone where they are from. Say, Isi ebe. Ada. Isi ebe. Ada Canada. Excellent. One more useful phrase. When you meet someone, you can say, Odim ụtọ izute gị. It means nice to meet you. Now, it's your turn. Introduce yourself in Igbo using Ndewo, Abum, Esim, Odim ụtọ izute gị. Write your introduction in the comments. We would love to meet you in Igbo. Today, Ada learned how to greet someone, introduce herself, and share where she is from in Igbo. But conversation doesn't end there. In the next lesson, Ada will learn how to talk about herself, including what she has, what she wants, and simple everyday sentences in Igbo. Follow Ada Canada and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Ndewo, ka ọ dị.